Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of describing the coordinate plane. This is standard 5.8b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 28, which is a new item type called inline choice, off the redesign practice online STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So this is an interesting problem. There are 3 different drop downs here, and each drop down only has 2 options here, right? These first 2 are going to be the same, either 4 or 10, and that one's either going to be up or down. This has got 3 different things you need to enter. It's only a 2-point problem. You get both points if you get all 3 correct. If you only get 2 correct, you get 1 point. If you only get 1 or 0 correct, you get no points at all. So let's read this problem. Complete the steps that could be used. I'm going to open up this graph draw feature so we can kind of use it as we're going along. To plot the point 410 on a coordinate grid, choose the correct answer from each drop-down menu to complete the statements. Okay, so we need to plot the point 410. You know what? I'm going to use this connect line right here. I can kind of draw my own little pretend coordinate grid. So I'm just going to do it like this. And you know what? I don't think that's far enough over. So let's do it like this. And then let's do it like this. That might be enough. All right, so we can actually label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. I'm just going to go up to 10s and create my own X and Y axis. 8, 9. Oh my goodness, I need to make this a little bit bigger. Let's extend that up. Okay. 10. There we go. All right. So here we go. How do we plot 410? Well, start at the origin. Okay, so the origin is your 0, 0. Okay, so that's right here. So let me do this in red. So you start there. Now, you move blank to the right. Okay, so let's see what my options are. 4 units or 10 units to the right. Okay, so I'm going to the right. My options are 4 or 10. Okay, well, when we start plotting, we start with the x-coordinate first. This is my x-axis. My y-coordinate always comes second, and that's the vertical axis. So my x is left to right, so I'm going to start to the right. Well, what's my x-coordinate? My x-coordinate is 4. So my x-coordinate is 4. All right, I'm going to start. Let's move this out of the way. There we go. So I'm going to do 4 units to the right. All right, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, kind of like right there. I'm going to be kind of keep my eye on that. And then I need to use blank, blank. Okay, the other 2 problems are blank, blank. 4 or 10 units up or down. Okay, well, I'm definitely not going down. I'm going up. Well, what is my y-coordinate is 10. So once I go 4 to the right, I'm going to go 10 up, right? And I would go all the way up here. And there we go. There's going to be my 4, 10. So what did I do? I went 4 units to the right, but then I moved 10 units up. You only move 10 units down when you have a negative in the y. And that's not something you're going to get to until you get into 6th grade. So plot the point. So it looks like I'm done. Now watch what happens if for some reason I try to only answer 2 and I hit next. It's going to come up with an error that says you have not solved this problem. So make sure you answer all 3. It will give you an error message if you don't do all 3. But that's exactly what we did. We went 4 units to the right there, and then we went straight up 10 units. So that is our answer.